welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reesie Gang down in the comments below to join the fam, of course. And if you are an OG, welcome back. I have another video and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's Wig Wednesday. So I can usually post videos on Wednesdays about my hair. So today is going to be, you know, a little talk through tutorial slash update review on Unice hair. So if you guys want to know more information about this unit and how I created this color, all that, then stay tuned. Bye.
Lace, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So you guys, you are here because you probably liked the color of this wig and probably want to know an update video on Unice hair, this pre-colored wig. So if you don't know, check out my first video on how the wig looked compared to now. I did add a little bit of magic to this wig over those 2-month period. So I did get this unit sent to me from Unice hair. I was working with them and I decided to color the wig 2 months later. I'm going to give you specs on this wig first and then give you a talk through tutorial on how I created this wig color, because it didn't look like this coming out the package. But yeah, so this is a 13x4 lace wig. It's 24 inches and it was 150% density. This did come pre-colored with highlights already. So if you are wanting to achieve this color, I do highly suggest buying a already pre-colored wig, specifically from them, because this hair is so good and it takes color so well, even for a second time. So this hair barely sheds, it barely tangles. So I really still highly recommend this hair. If you don't know about Unice hair, you already know Unice hair never disappoints. It never disappoints, okay? So it's a really high quality wig and it's very thick, very, very thick. So what I did, unfortunately, I don't have any footage of me re-dyeing this hair, but I do have a highlight tutorial on my channel if you want to know how to highlight your wigs. But if you did get a pre-colored wig with highlights already and it's more of like a yellowish, still brownish tint, and you want to achieve this type of color, then this is what I did. Pay close attention. Okay, I'm gonna try to explain this without using any b-roll, you guys, because usually you guys like to visually see everything, but unfortunately I did not film this tutorial. But I know some people might ask how I did it. So what I did was get the pre-colored wig that's already blonde highlights. I grabbed the highlights that were already highlighted. Does that make sense? I separated the highlighted pieces on this wig, and then I ended up bleaching the wig again with 40 volume developer and some bleach mixed together. Used some foil and re-bleached the blonde pieces only. I did bring a little bit of pieces that were brown, like this color, only on the top. So see how only the top of this hair is bleached, and then on the side of this wig is bleached, but nothing else, as you can see, is bleached. Nothing in the back. So what they did was only bleach the side of the wig right here and then the top of the frontal to create that ombre effect. And what I did was re-bleach it, left it on for 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. I left it on so I can dye it as blonde as possible. Then I got purple conditioner. You can get purple shampoo or purple conditioner. I highly suggest purple conditioner because I did minimal shampooing on this unit, because when you bleach and shampoo, it strips it even more, makes the hair brittle and dry. So I highly recommend purple conditioner. What I did was soak this hair in purple conditioner and my silicone mix together in boiling hot water and let it sit for over an hour. Then these highlights came out like a little bit, it still has a little purple tint to it, but it made the blonde pieces very ashy. I feel like that's how you tone the hair, make it more for your skin color, if that makes sense. So it gives away the brassiness even in the browns. So as you can see, I soaked it in purple conditioner for a long time. When you rinse it, it might still be purple on the highlights, but it will fade and give that grayish ash color. That's all I did. I just re-dyed the blonde pieces that Unice hair already dyed just to create this color, and then I cut layers into it, curled it up, and boom. Like, I think it's so easy. It's easier to create these nice ashy highlights with already pre-colored wigs, because if it's not pre-colored, you will have to bleach it maybe 2 to 3 times to create this color, because it's more of a lighter color than, say, if you bleached it on black hair. I hope that makes sense. I hope I made sense. I do have a highlighting color tutorial on my channel. It might not be the same thing, but if you are looking to not do a lot of work on your wig and still achieve this, I recommend you getting the Unice wig, because it's already highlighted for you. Just bleach it one more time, soak it in some purple conditioner, and boom, you have the same exact hairstyle like me. Hope that helps. That's all I have to say about this wig. It's really good. It took color so well. I never had a wig that took color good and still has its shine and still doesn't feel brittle and dried out. I'm out of breath. I hope this helped you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I miss you guys so much. Don't forget to comment down below what else you would like to see on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.